How to cash out on Fidelity Investment account. Hey guys, welcome back. In this following video, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can withdraw money from your Fidelity Investment account. So you can withdraw your money from your Fidelity brokerage account, and after that you need to transfer it to another account using the Fidelity electronic fund transfer account service, or have a money sent to the mailing address via check. After you're logged into your account, you'll be taken to the home page, and once you're on this home page, you can see right on top there is an option as transfer. So from the list, you need to click on the transfer button, and as soon as you click on it, you'll be able to see this kind of interface. So basically, first of all, you need to enter in is your transfer account. So from which account you are actually making a transaction and to which account you're actually sending the transaction. So click on a continue, and once you're done entering the information, once the amount is added, now you can withdraw it and you can use it. In this way, you can cash out on Fidelity Investment. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.